Welcome to my hair day, wash hair day video. As you can see, my hair is really in need of being washed. So we're going to get started. There's going to be about 3 products that I'm going to be using and reviewing for a hair day wash for this thick coarse hair of mine. But first I'm going to wash and condition my hair with my Emerge shampoo, and then I have the Emerge condition that I'm going to use on my hair, and then we're going to get into the other 3 products. Now my hair is all clean and ready to use our first product. And as you can see, I have a curl pattern where my hair is really curly. It screens up when I wet it, so it's real thick, coarse, and you can see how my curl patterns are real curly, and it's just really skrinkish when I wet it. But I'm ready to get into using my first product once I can get my camera to focus back on me. But I'm ready to use my first product. It's going to be the NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. You use this treatment mask to restore dulled hair from the scalp to the screens with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oil. So I'm very excited to use this product on my hair, and it's going to actually repair any split ends or any hair that's like dull. So I'm basically gonna show you guys what it looks like. It has like a creamy texture in the inside of it, and so I just take a little of it on my hand, and I'm just gonna put it from like the root of my hair all the way down to the ends, just to repair any of my hair that is shrinkage, any of my hair that is damaged, and any of my hair that doesn't have that curl pattern like I want it to be. But I do have some thick coarse hair, as you guys can see, and so I'm just taking a couple of scoops and just putting on different parts of my hair, and I'm just gonna let that sit into my hair for about 10 minutes so that it can just repair anything that's damaged. As you can see, I am really putting the cream all throughout my hair. I'm rubbing it on the ends, I'm rubbing it at the roots. I'm just making sure that this product is throughout my whole hair so that everything can really sit well on my hair and help to repair any damage. As you can see, I'm taking it to the bottom, and I'm going to let it sit on there for like 10 minutes. So now my hair has been washed with the repair, and I always like to use this prep and primer spray for my hair before I use any other products on there or before I put any heat to my hair. So I just spray my hair all over to prep and prime it for to use the next product on my hair. But this is not one of the products that I'm going to be reviewing. So the next 2 products are the Sachajuan styling cream that I'm going to be using right now, and then after I use that one, I'm going to be using the finish cream after I use the styling cream. They both make your hair split and silky with the styling cream, then it gives your hair a divine texture with the finish cream. So right now I'm using the styling cream, and it does feel really soft. As you can see how I'm putting it throughout my hair, it's just making my hair feel soft and silky, and my curls are really starting to just look really nice. And it doesn't leave like a residue in your hair. It does make your hair just feel soft, and it's not that sticky residue product. And then I'm also using the finish cream, which help my hair define texture with the finish cream. So with this product, my hair has a lot of defined texture in it. My curl pattern just look better. using this product. And the same with this one, it does not make my hair feel like it just have like that residue in it, or just feels really heavy or anything like that. It really does make my hair feel soft. It really does define my curls, and it just feels really really nice. As you can see, I'm putting it from the root of my hair all the way down to the end of my hair. I'm also putting it on my edges as well, and it just really got my hair feeling really good. So now I'm just brushing through my hair just to make sure that all of the product is going throughout my hair, and I'm just basically just brushing it. I'm not going to really style it, but I'm just brushing it just to make sure that all of the product is going throughout all of my hair by just brushing it in. So now I want you to kind of see what my curl pattern is looking like. Since I've added the styling cream, it still has my curls just looking very cute, very defined. I am so loving the way it's starting to look. Now my hair is all clean and washed, and it feels so good. I could just see that my curl patterns look so nice. I'm loving it. I'm feeling good. I just really do love the products that I use. I feel like using the repair product got my hair feeling nice, and everything is just feeling phenomenal. I did not have a lot of hair loss from this, but yeah, this is the finished project, you guys, and the finished look. And I appreciate you guys joining me today for my wash day. Maybe the next time I flat iron it so you can see how long it is. But until the next video, thank you guys, and you have a great one. Bye.